Hi guys, it's Jay and welcome back to Jay Beauty. So for today's video, we will be going to do the green eyeshadow look, and at the same time we are going to unbox the wig that I ordered from AliExpress. Did came one day earlier, so I am supposed to be getting that wig May 9, but it did came today, May 8th. So I am so happy because I'm kind of excited, but at the same time I'm a little bit nervous because sometimes I really don't believe in such reviews and pictures that I'm seeing on their app or on their website, but we will see how it goes. And I only paid for a cheaper price, so if you guys wanted to check out that wig, just keep on watching. Okay, so for today's eyeshadow look, so today we are now in the green on the rainbow, because the last video that I did, it was the yellow one. So for today we will be doing the green eyeshadow look. So the palettes that I'll be using is obviously 39L Hit the Lights palette from Morphe is still on our list because it does have a neon green eyeshadow in here, and also the James Charles X Morphe. But the other palette that I'll be using is the Morphe X Jeffree Star palette because it does have a beautiful green eyeshadows as well. So let's proceed. So for my base, I'll be using the shade Social Blade on the James Charles palette, and I will just focus that one on right here just to create a false crease onto my eye, just like what I used to do. And make sure that you blend this one out very nice and careful because you don't want the green to be messed up. Okay, so there you go. Next shade will be the shade Outlet from the 39L Hit the Lights palette. I'm using the same brush, and I'm just going to blend that one out right here, only focusing on the inner corner of my eye. Okay, so next we already have that base line right here, so we are just going to get a concealer and a flat brush, and we're just going to create another crease. Okay, so there you go. We already cut one crease out. I'm just going to do the other eyes off camera just for us to be faster. So let's now go with the shade Daddy on the James Charles palette, and we're just going to focus that one on the outer V of our eye. Just going to pack it on, just press it like that. Just make sure that it won't go out of the cut crease a moment. Okay, so when you're done putting that shade on the outer V of your eye, let's now go and dip this one brush in the Nate shade on the Morphe X Jeffree Stars palette, which is a very dark bright green on that palette. Then we're just going to focus this one on the inner corner of our eye. Okay, so if you guys can see, we already put all of the colors on our eyes, but there's one missing on the middle right here. So I'll be just dipping a flat brush on the silver shade, silver glitter shade on our 39L Hit the Lights palette on the shade Love Bomb, and we will just focus that one on the center of our lids. Okay, so with a very small round brush, we'll just get that and we'll just blend the edges out right here just to make sure that there is no harsh line and everything is blended out perfectly. Okay, so with a small smudger brush, I'm just going to dip this brush on the Wake and Bake shade, mixing together with the Nate on the Jeffree Star X Morphe palette. And I'm just going to focus that one on the lower lash line. I'm going to mix it up again with the Daddy shade, and I'm just going to focus this one on the outer corner. Okay guys, so that's my eyeshadow. So I will just finish the other eye off camera and I will be right back. Okay guys, so I'm already done with my eyeshadow, but before we finish all of our full glam look, let us now unbox this wig that I was telling you earlier before I started this eyeshadow look. So let us just grab this package right here, and I'll just go and get a scissor. Okay, so let us now cut this package out just to make sure. Okay, let's just be careful on cutting this because we don't want to rip out the wig itself. Okay, so this is the wig, guys. There you go. Oh, fancy. So it came up with a bag like this. So let's open her up. It has a box edge, and here's the wig. Oh, wait, something fell off. So it did came with a lashes, which is the Liang Ying Jia eyelash. Oh, I like the eyelash that they gave me. It's very natural looking and it's very dramatic. Wait, I think there's one more. What's this? So it does came up with a wig cap, and it's black. So I mean, I'm not mad for a black one, but that's fine. I wish it was nude. So this is the wig. It has a protection net right here. Just remove that. And it does have some papers right here. Let us throw her out right there. And this is how she's looking right now. It does really smell like synthetic. It's really plastic, but you guys can see it's very natural looking. Like it doesn't really look like synthetic. So let us remove all of this. So this is a Freedom Lace Frontal Beyonce. Oh, her name is Beyonce. That is so cool. So if you guys can see, it is a lace front. It's not that deep, but totally fine for a wig. I mean, especially if you're not going to just pony it and you just wanted to at least look natural, your wig to look natural on your head. Okay, so I will just finalize everything, and I will be right back wearing the wig. Okay, so this is the curly hair, guys. I'm not really liking the vibe. It's so ugly. I might just do this one like straight, or maybe I just don't know how to put on wig because, you know, I don't really use wig, but you know, I just wanted it to be straight because, see, it's not really the size of my head, so I really wish that the wig has a choice of choosing the head size because it doesn't really look like it really fit it. It really is fitting my hair. And the hairline, I mean, I'm really thankful that they gave me a wig cap, but since I don't have another wig cap, so I have to use what's included. But for the quality of the hair, I'm not really mad at it. It's really good. And this wig can take heat as well. The wig cap right here is showing. So I'm just going to straight this hair up and I will be right back with the final look. Okay guys, so this is the final look. I hope you guys like my look today. I just threw on a green lipstick which is from Too Faced. So this is the melted matte liquefied matte longwear lipstick in the shade Wicked. So this is the lipstick that I use, and I just did top it off with the iconic London lip plumping gloss in the shade Peekaboo, just to add a little bit more glossy on that matte lipstick and make it a little bit more howdy and seductive. So, and this is already the wig guys. I just flattened the hair a little bit. I mean, I made it a little bit more natural looking, so I did left a little bit of that curly or like wavy look just to make sure that my wig will look more natural, because I'm not really like a fan of very kinky hair, because you know, I mean, I really have a big face, but it's just not my vibe. I really am a straight hair girl kind of girl. And then I just did a little bit of ponytail all the way in the middle. Sorry if it's kind of messy because I just rushed my hair, and it did took me how many minutes just to straighten up a little bit. Just put a little bit of concealer on the lace right here. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I guess for sure. So that is it for today's video. Hope you guys like this video and share this to your friends. If you're not subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe to my YouTube channel already and click the notification bell button just to be sure that when I uploaded a new video, you will be updated. And please do follow me on all of my social media accounts. Everything is at jbeauty_. I have 2 Instagrams, jbeauty_ and at jbeauty_2. Okay, so thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you on my next video. Bye. Mwah.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.